Students, in the last lecture we see the one of the most important method in the chapter integration, that is the completing square method. To find the integrals of 1 upon quadratic function, we can use the completing square method, and after completing square we use the special integration, that is 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon x square minus a square, or 1 upon a square minus x square. Okay, today we discuss the next type of the integrals here. In the last lecture we see the type 1 upon quadratic function, that is integrals of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Now we can see the integrals of 1 upon a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. Here, see carefully the structure of the problem. Okay, in the last lecture we see the example 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c, that is 1 upon quadratic function, and then we completing square method we can solve this example. Here the structure of problem, it is 1 upon a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. That means the examples in the type, here we can see one example. Evaluate here integral of 1 upon, it is a 4 plus 3 cos square x, 4 plus 3 cos square x. Okay, here dx, it is a 18th example. Okay, now here this example in the form of this a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. Here it is a c, it is a b. Here a is a 0, therefore sin square term is absent. There are only b cos square x plus c. It is a b cos square x plus c. Here see carefully the structure. There is at most one is a 0, either a, b or c, at most one. Okay, only one, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or c equal to 0, then we use the type of this. Okay, here to solve the integral, first step, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Here to solve such type example we adjust the 3 steps here and reduce this example in the form of 1 upon quadratic function. Okay, here it is not 1 upon quadratic function. By using the 3 step we reduce this type of example in a 1 upon quadratic function. And then how to know it is 1 upon quadratic function? In the last lecture we see 1 upon quadratic equation, then there is a complete square method, and use the one of the formula out of 3 formulas. Okay, here divide such type of example. Here first step, it is a divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Then second step, in denominator, here only in denominator use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Okay, here only in the denominator, not numerator. There is a numerator is a 6, when divided by numerator and denominator it is a cos square x, then numerator can be, it is a term sec square x, and in denominator is also term sec square x. In denominator use sec square x, okay, is equal to 1 plus tan square x. And third step, put tan x is equal to t, that is the substitution. Put tan x is equal to t. Okay, see carefully. If the example in the type of this, then apply these 3 steps. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. In denominator use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, and then after 2 steps, the third step, it is a substitution. Put tan x is equal to t. Okay, because when we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, in numerator there is a sec square x, and sec square x is in a multiple of dx, and sec square x is a derivative of tan x. So here we put the tan x is equal to t. Okay, we see the example this. Here in such type example we apply these 3 steps, and then after 3 steps the examples becomes in a 1 upon quadratic function, and in 1 upon quadratic function then we use the out of 3 formula there is one formula we can use, that is a 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon a square minus x square, or 1 upon x square minus a square. Okay, here now see this example, it is a 1 upon, it is a c and it is a b cos square x plus c, a is absent. Here divide, first step it is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay, see carefully. Therefore integrals becomes 1 upon cos square x upon 4 upon cos square x plus 3 into cos square x upon cos square x dx. Then integral of it is a sec square x upon 4 sec square x plus 3 dx. Now it is a first step, it is a complete, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Now second step, in denominator, only in a denominator use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x in denominator. Therefore it is a numerator sec square x upon 4 into 1 plus tan square x plus 3 dx. Okay, see carefully. Now our integrals becomes here, it is a sec square x upon 4 plus 4 tan square x, we can write 4 tan square x plus 7 dx. See carefully, it is 4 plus 3, it is 7, and it is 4 tan square x. Now here this example in the form of the substitution, in the multiple of dx it is a sec square x, and sec square x is a derivative of tan x, and here it is a tan x. So we put the third step, it is a put tan x is equal to t. Here put tan x is equal to t. Then after substitution we can take a derivative. The derivative of tan x, it is a sec square x, and here dt by dx, so we can write dx is equal to dt. Okay, now we apply all 3 steps. First, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Second step, in the denominator use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x and put tan x is equal to t. Here we apply all 3 steps. Okay, now after 3 steps we get the integral. Therefore our integrals becomes, it is dt upon 4 t square plus 7. It is a sec square x dx, it is a dt, and 4 t square plus 7. Now it is a form of 1 upon quadratic function, and therefore by completing square there are 2 terms, therefore it is a no need to complete square. Okay, already there are 2 terms, but here the coefficient of t square, it is a 4, so we can common the 4. Then it is a 1 by 4 integral of 1 upon t square plus 7 by 4 dt. Then it is a 1 by 4 into integral of 1 upon, it is a t square plus under root 7 by 2 whole square dt. Now it is 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon t square plus a square with respect to t. Therefore integral of 1 upon x square plus a square, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, here with respect to t. Therefore it is 1 by 4 as it is, 1 by a under root 7 by 2 tan inverse x by a, that is a t by under root 7 by 2 plus c. Then 1 by, it is a 2 to get cancelled, it is a 2 under root 7 tan inverse of 2t plus under root 7 plus c. Okay, and now put the value of t, then it is 1 by 2 under root 7 tan inverse of 2 tan x upon under root 7 plus c. Okay, it is the last answer. Now See carefully. Integrals of the type a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. Such type example, first divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, then in denominator use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x and put tan x is equal to t. After 3 steps we get the 1 upon quadratic function, and we know that how to solve the 1 upon quadratic function. It is a complete square method. Here already it is a complete square, that is the two terms x square and a square. Then we use the formula 1 upon x square plus a square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here with respect to t, then it is with respect to t, and last we put the value of t. Okay, then last answer it is. Okay, see carefully this. Now we see the next example. Next example, it is 19th example. 1 upon integral of 1 upon cos 2x plus 3 sin square x dx. Okay, here it is 1 upon cos 2x, it is not cos square. When it is a cos square, there is a problem in this type. Okay, but here cos 2x plus 3 sin square x. Okay, here in the examples of integrations, okay, see carefully. First we see the integral, the example, the problem in the type. Okay, in which type? Okay, in last lecture we see the type 1 upon quadratic function. In this lecture we see 1 upon a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c, and the previous lecture we can see the type 1 upon it is a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x, and another type it is a into e raised to x plus b upon c into e raised to x plus d. Then how to solve all types example? There is a methods, a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Okay, there is a method numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. In 1 upon quadratic function there is complete square, and apply the formula, and such type it is this type a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. We use these 3 steps. Okay, but this example not in the type of the example. Then how to solve? Okay, in integration, problems of the integration. Okay, here remember the 3 steps. First step, the problem is in a type. Okay, this problem is not in a type. Then second step, we can substitute. Okay, see, we can the substitute, there is a no substitution. Okay, and third step, the simplification of the problem. We use the trigonometric formula or the expansion. Okay, इंटिग्रेशन चे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करते वेळेस 3 स्टेप लक्षात राहू द्या. सगळ्यात पहिली स्टेप, प्रॉब्लेम कोणत्या टाइप मध्ये आहे का, तुम्हाला सरळ अशा टाइप दिलेले आहेत, त्याचं सोल्युशन मेथड दिलेली आहे. ओके, सगळ्यात आधी पाहायचं प्रॉब्लेम टाइप मध्ये आहे का. टाइप मध्ये असला तर सरळ टाइपचं सोल्युशन मेथड आहे, त्या मेथडनं सॉल्व करा. सेकंड स्टेप, टाइप मध्ये नसला तर सबस्टिट्यूशन करता येते का पहा. सबस्टिट्यूशन करा. सबस्टिट्यूशन केल्याच्या नंतर तुम्हाला टाइप मध्ये येईल, नाही तर डायरेक्ट इंटिग्रेशन करता येईल. थर्ड स्टेप, टाइप मध्ये नाही आणि सबस्टिट्यूशनही करता येईल. तर तिसरी स्टेप, त्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करा. एक तर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युला किंवा मग अल्जेब्रिक एक्सपान्शन्स असतील. आता हिअर वी यूज द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युला. दिस प्रॉब्लेम नॉट इन द टाइप. ओके, सो हिअर वी यूज the trigonometric formula of cos 2x, because here angle is a sin square x and here 2x. Okay, 2x converted into x. The cos 2 theta, there are the 4 formulas. Okay, we use one formula in terms of tan, we can remove this. Then out of 3 formulas of the cos 2x, we can use any one formula, but here it is a sin square, so we can use the formula of the cos 2 theta in terms of only sin. Okay, then see carefully here, 1 upon formula of the cos 2x, formula is of the cos 2 theta. Okay, here it is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin square x dx. See carefully this. Okay, it is a formula of cos 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. It is a formula of the cos 2x, and then it is 1 upon 1 plus sin square x dx. And now this example in the type of this, here b is a 0, a is value 1 and c is also 1, a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. Then divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Therefore 1 by cos square x upon 1 by cos square x plus sin square x upon cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. This example in our type, therefore divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Then it is a sec square x in the numerator and in the denominator sec square x plus tan square x dx. Then in denominator use sec square x is equal to, it is a sec square x upon 1 plus tan square x plus tan square x. Okay, in denominator we use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x and it is tan square x as it is. Then our integral is sec square x upon, it is 2 tan square x plus 1 dx. And now we apply the two steps, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, then use in denominator sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, then we get this. Now sec square x in a multiple of dx, so apply third step, that is a put tan x is equal to t. Now here put tan x is equal to t, therefore sec square x dx is equal to dt, and therefore our integral is equal to, it is a dt upon 2t square plus 1. Sec square x dx, it is a dt, 2t square plus 1. Again it is 1 upon quadratic function, and the 1 upon quadratic function we can solve by completing square method. But here again there are two terms only, there is no need to complete square, only take these two common because the coefficient of t square, it is a 1. Therefore 1 by 2, coefficient of t square, it is a 2, therefore we can take a common, 1 upon t square plus 1 by 2 dt. Then 1 by 2 into integral of 1 upon t square plus 1 by under root 2 square dt. It is 1 upon x square plus a square, and then it is 1 upon 2 as it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, that is a t upon 1 by under root 2 plus c, and then it is a 2 becomes in the numerator 2 and these 2 cancel, it is only 1 by root 2 tan inverse of, it is a root 2t plus c, and then put the value of tan x, that is a tan x is a value of t, tan x is equal to t, then put the value. Okay, see carefully. Okay, here this example not in our type, so we simplify this and reduce the example in our type, and then apply these three methods, then type reduce into 1 upon quadratic function and solving this 1 upon quadratic function. Now we see the next example. Next example is number 20. Integral of sin x upon sin 3x. Again, this example not in our type, so we can check. Here is a substitution. No, it is a sin x and it is sin 3x, so there is no substitute. Okay, then we use the formula of the tan 3x. Okay, 3 स्टेप लक्षात राहू द्या. सगळ्यात आधी टाइप नसलं तर सबस्टिट्यूशन, आणि सबस्टिट्यूशन नसलं तर मग सिम्प्लिफिकेशन. हिअर वी यूज द सिम्प्लिफिकेशन. इट इज sin 3x. we use the trigonometric ratio of sin 3x, that is sin x upon 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. It is a formula for the sin 3 theta. Then sin x common, and then numerator sin x cancel. It is 1 upon 3 minus 4 sin square x. And now this example in our type. Again here b is a 0, c is equal to 3 and a is equal to minus 4. Therefore divide numerator and denominator by cos square x upon 3 upon cos square x minus 4 sin square x upon cos square x with respect to x. Then it is a sec square x 1 by cos square x, 3 sec square x minus 4 tan square x dx. Now in denominator we can use, in numerator sec square x as it is, in denominator we can use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan square x dx. And then integral, it is sec square x upon, it is a 3, and 3 tan square x minus 4, it is a tan square x only. See carefully. Sec square x upon, it is a 3, and 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x, it is minus tan square x. Now we apply 2 steps. Now third step, it is put tan x is equal to t, sec square x dx is equal to dt. Therefore put tan x is equal to t. Therefore sec square x dx is equal to dt. And now integral dt upon 3 minus t square. See carefully. It is a dt and it is 3 minus t square. And then 1 upon, it is under root 3 square minus t square dt. 1 upon a square minus x square, and then formula it is 1 by 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x, okay, plus c. Now here with respect to t, therefore you can write under root 3 plus t and under root 3 minus t. Put the value of t. Under root 3 plus tan x upon under root 3 minus tan x plus c. Okay, here see carefully this. Okay. Here such type example, here a, b and c are any real number. Okay, any one can be 0. Okay, then we use this. Okay, here it is a b is 0. In the first example there is a is 0. Okay, or in any example there is a c is equal to 0. Okay, then we apply these 3 steps, and after these 3 steps we get 1 upon quadratic function, and 1 upon quadratic function solve by using the special integrals. Okay, here this. Okay, see carefully. In the next lecture we see the next type of the integral.